Ever feel like your videos are meh, like they're missing that wow factor? Well, fear not, because today we're diving into creative B-roll ideas that will make your edit so good your viewers will think Finzon edited them. Let's roll.
Alright, team. Places, places, places. Oh, wait. It's just me and you.
You've got coffee mugs, pens, and even an avocado lying around. Boom! Instant props. Just add some slow motion, throw in a cinematic angle, and voila! You've got yourself a masterpiece. Static shots are boring. Spice it up with some movement. Use a slider, gimbal, or even your own two hands.
And if your hands are shaky as mine after too much coffee, say it's intentional and call it a day.
Lighting is everything. Use shadows for drama and light leaks for that artsy, dreamy vibe. And if you don't have professional lighting gear, just grab a flashlight. Sure, your neighbors might think you've joined a secret society, but hey, it's for the art. B-roll should match the mood of your edit. Talking tech, show some gadgets. Productivity tips, get to those to-do lists and frames. Or for pure chaos, throw in a cat, because cats improve literally everything. Science. Transitions can elevate your edit or totally confuse your audience. Whip pans, match cuts, masking transitions, they're all great tools. Just don't overdo it, or your viewers will feel like they're trapped in a 90s music video.
Trust me, I learned the hard way.
Macro shots add intrigue and detail. Show the texture on your gear, the swirl in your coffee, or if you're feeling brave, your pause on a bad skin day. Too close? Yeah, probably. Speed ramps are your best friends. Speed up the boring stuff like cleaning your desk. Slow down the cool stuff like water pouring. And if you can combine the two, well, good luck. Props are underrated. Use books, plants, or even that random lava lamp you forgot you owned. Just don't overdo it, or your room will look like a yard sale. Trust me.
And there you have it. 8 ways to make your B-rolls so creative your audience won't even care what your video is about. Just kidding. Sort of.